fucking cares? You're not.
No, it was the joke was, what do you call a bear with no teeth? And I was like, gummy bear. I didn't say that, but I was like, I don't know. What do you? It was a gummy bear, and I'm like, oh, that's good. And then he said, oh, I got another one. What happens when a frog is illegally parked? And I go, I've never heard that one. I'm like, let me guess. He goes, fucking toad. And then he goes, he gets towed. And I'm like, oh, dude, that's good. I'm naming myself Toad. I'm gonna spell it P-O-D.
Simon's Blowblade.
I'd say it's really good.
Just because your boyfriend's name is Simon,
Blowblade.
Sebastian, don't use it. Fucking.
Oh, that's true. You do have a gay lover.
I'm not gay, dude.
Are you with Brian? No, wait,
yeah,
no,
totally.
is it Andy this week?
No, it's Brian.
Really? The skinny white guy?
Yeah.
Cringe.
I'm basic, I know. How do you... Fuck.
Fuck, penis and pussy.
No! Shut the fuck up.
9 insight. Holy shit, dude. I haven't done this glitch in so long, but it's working every time. 10 insight?
Oh, wow, you're cheating,
Right.
Thomas.
Wow, he's cheating.
Cheater.
Report him to Miyazaki.
I can't do it now. What would he do? Suck my weenie? Please, Miyazaki, please. This is a request. I'm paying.
Please, 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 please.
Oh, God.
Please,
You don't
Miyazaki.
I'll give you enough money for another Dark Souls, please.
He's already got enough.
I will give you...
That's what Elden Ring is.
Oh my fucking god!
Dude, it's not that scary!
No! Oh god, this is a dead end, bro. Chill out,
Dude, you're
chill out.
screaming now more in Bloodborne than you did in Resident Evil 7.
Well, in that game, you're purposely, waiting for the jump scare. And this one, I'm I'm trying to loot, and I see there's a fucking whole ass riot group behind me. They're like, yeah, well, now in it, bro.
Oh, fuck, I suck dick.
Cut that clip and paste it 18 times.
Oh, fuck, I suck dick. The fuck, oh, fuck, I
How
suck
you
dick.
suck dick, yeah.
Yeah. With the clapping noise in the background.
Hello, bros.
Oh no,
Come on
so
in.
Losers Couch fanbase, go ahead in the comment section and say, what's your favorite porno search tag?
Will this come out before Dark Souls is over?
No, please! I'm fine.
Dude, he really does become Tom.
I love it.
Bro, chill out! I'm just gonna shoot this thing to death. I'm fucking afraid of it.
Yeah, shoot it twice in the head and you can get a visceral.
I just shot it. I don't know where I shot it. It's dead, though.
R3? Wait, the Cleric Beast is dead?
No, I'm not the Cleric Beast, moron.
Him.
What?
I was fighting werewolves. This is what happens to England whenever the Queen dies.
Yeah.
Everything goes to shit. You don't know how fucking angry I am!
1 hour later.
What the fucking dickwit?
They already knew, I think.
My frames are about to fucking have a heart attack, Jesus.
All of our friends are about to have a heart attack. I don't know why, but this game stopped running
you just
well
staggered me.
2 years ago. Like, remember when this game used to run, completely fine?
Alright, we should probably just, beeline it to a
Yeah.
gas can. Unless you
Oh,
want
we're
to fight... Nah, let's go gas can.
We're gonna go
Unless
gas
y'all want to do Cleric Beast.
No, we can do gas coin.
I'm good.
Yeah, Sebastian had a bad experience. I don't know if I'm gonna put that in.
Hmm? Thought for a second you threw a coin.
Guys, it's the loser couch.
I
Oh,
wonder if I
we're
have
fighting
any.
first boss. Guess.
Alright, which beast in the game would you fuck?
I've already said this answer, and you know it. You know it. You fucking know it.
Vicar Amelia?
No. What?
Oh, I wouldn't. I'm fucking
No.
the,
That's the easy answer, you fucker.
the well sharks. I know they're not beasts, but whatever.
I mean,
Don't kink shame me.
God damn! I'm about to fucking die!
how?
Oh, that didn't work.
I have mad reduced health. I probably have a third of what I have. My stamina bar is bigger than my health bar, holy fuck.
Yeah, that's just how it is at the beginning of the game.
Ow!
Oh, you bitch.
Damn it.
Oh, fuck. Why are you looking at me, jackass?
Ah, what?
Bazinga. That's my pussy, boys. Oh. Damn it, good night for him.
Nice.
Oh,
Oh,
I'm out of
shit.
Molotovs.
what pushed me over?
I'm not, but he's kind of fucking me.
Do you have a music box? I do. Get back here. Easy sex.
Don't swallow it because it makes me just feel like I'm still sick.
Let's go.
Bum 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 dum bum.
My dad
Let's
told
go.
me I have to go sleep.
Why? It's not like you have school tomorrow.
Where's... What? Why don't I have a
Eso
school
es
tomorrow?
basically que me estás diciendo, pa.
Because we got Thanksgiving break.
That's a
Ya
thing?
ni voy a la escuela, ¿por qué me voy a dormir tanto?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think I do remember that. I haven't been in school for a while.
Same.
How long is Christmas break? Is that 2
Oh.
weeks?
Something like that, yeah.
Alright. Let's kill cleric beast before you have to leave.
Yeah, fucking juice it.
Sofía es un baby.
Wow, someone already win the fight and lost.
I didn't lose. I strategically retreated. Sebastian, don't let your controller die.
What? I can't hear you, this music's too loud.
My music's off.
I would have been able to kill him if I did that. If I pulled it off, I probably would have
Ow.
killed him.
Ow.
Oh, I could have done it. Yeah, I could have. No, you couldn't. Your controller still would have died and you still would have lost.
Also, Sebastian, Bloodborne is better than Dark Souls because of rally potential.
I don't know what that is.
So, you know how whenever you get hit, you'll have that, like, that bar of red that's, like, not your health anymore? If you attack before that fades away, you can get your health back.
That's stupid.
Alright, just healed his limbs. Uh-oh. I'm grabbed. No, I'm not. Bitch! Damn! That was a lot of bullshit happening just then.
Whoa!
Got he ass. Got he!